Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the Stokk Tankless reverse osmosis systems, which is a great addition to any kitchen. It features a smart display functions that show the quality of your water and alerts you when it's time to replace the filter, giving you peace of mind about your drinking water. The tankless design is sleek and saves over 50% of under-sink space, making it perfect for smaller kitchen. With 8-stage filtration, it removes over 99.99% of contaminants, including TDS, fluoride, and more, ensuring clean, pure water. This system also provides fast water flow, delivering a cup of water in just 5 seconds, and the 3-1 pour to drain ratio saves up to 1020% more water compared to other systems. It's easy to install with twist and pull filter cartridges that can be replaced in seconds. If you're looking for a reliable space-saving and efficient reverse osmosis system for your home, this Stokk system is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching, and I recommended this stuff.